Hello, another Windows 7 video on adding a printer. Everything in Windows 7 is really designed to make the user experience quite a bit easier than previous Windows versions. I couldn't say the same for Windows 8 as I tested the beta and I'm not that impressed, but Windows 7 is pretty impressive, so I'll probably just stick with that. Even Windows XP, pretty nice. Okay, so without further ado, I will go to Start, Devices and Printers. And here you can see all of the devices and all of the printers and faxes on your computer. Now, I already have a printer, and this is another printer I have. I don't have a fax. I don't know anybody who uses facsimile anymore. I can remove that device. Yeah, sure, why not? This is an XPS document writer, which I taught you about in one of my previous videos. PDF Complete will print it as a PDF, sort of like XPS, different. And OneNote is an Office 2010 uh, document writer sort of thing. Okay, now I want to show you how to add a printer. Makes it pretty easy. Add a device, add a printer, whichever one you have. Obviously, if you plug a device in and it's plug and play, it will automatically download the drivers from the device, usually, or take you to the website to download the drivers, or just install itself. If it's a mouse, then like this wireless mobile mouse, I just plug in the little fob or the network, the wireless pin thing, and I stick it in USB drive and turn on my mouse and it downloads the drivers. Um, and that's easy stuff. So you don't usually have to add a device. And sometimes it's pretty much the same with a printer. I mean, newer printers, you plug it in, it'll download the drivers automatically. This is an old series printer, so I had to add it the old-fashioned way, is get the drivers online, use those, blah blah blah. And it was kind of painful a little bit, but it was okay. Here's one other way. I mean, if you're on a network, this is probably the best way to add a printer. Go to Add Printer. Now bring up what type of printer do you want to install. Nowadays we have wireless and Bluetooth printers, so this will turn on your Bluetooth radio, or if your wireless is on, you can add a networked wireless printer. But I'm just going to show you local. Um, and it's like I said before, Windows automatically installs USB printers when you plug them in. This is the option if you don't have a USB printer. So if it goes somewhere else. So if it goes to your LPT1 printer port, which I don't have. So let's make a print file, sort of like an XPS. Next, we can just name this. We can get whatever one you want. Let's get a Sony. Yeah, Sony DPP FP95. Sound good? All right. You don't have the disk. If you have the disk, you can install the drivers that way, or you can just click next and see if it'll find the drivers for you. I don't want to set it as my default printer because I already have a default printer. And from here you can print a test page to see if the printer connected, and it'll add it right here. It looks the same as these. If you want to change the icon, nope, sorry, wasn't that easy. Don't change the icon. But as you can see, we added that printer. We can just as easily remove the device, and there it goes. It's gone. We installed those drivers and we deleted them. So um, it's that easy. All right, I like it.